Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel. Today we are checking out these little guys. They showed up in the mail today. These are Wyze bulbs. And if you've been around the channel, you've seen the other products that we've played around with from Wyze, the cameras and the sensors and whatnot. And these things just showed up. They're not even on the market yet, but we're gonna give them a go. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a great big thumbs up and tell me what kind of stuff you'd like to do with these bulbs or anything else around your house. Now, this is not a paid advertisement or a promo. I'm not getting any money from Wyze. I've just kind of been digging on their products, and I was excited when these came out. So we're going to show you what all these things can do. But before we even get into the box, I want to show you a few things. What's neat with these are internet connected light bulbs. They connect to your router and you can control them from the Wyze app to your phone. You can connect them to your Alexa if you have one. You can also run it through Google Assistant. And if you run If This Then That, you can run it through that. If you haven't checked out If This Then That, definitely worth checking out. We'll get into what this can do a little later on in the video. So let's get into the box here and let me show you what all it comes with. When you get in here, this is pretty typical for all the other products that I've gotten with Wyze. This is their instructions and they're very simple. And so far everything we've done with Wyze have been really, really simple setups. And the setup here is as simple as download the app, and they've got one in App Store and one in Google Play, so it'll work either way. Install the light bulb and turn on the power. So just screw in the bulb into a socket, turn on the power, and then follow the app. So let's go through the setup process here and check this out. Before we do that though, I also want to let you know that we are giving away a set of these bulbs in another video, and I've got a link for that video down in the description below as well. You can check that out. We're gonna, in about a week, give away an entire set of these bulbs. We're gonna be shipping them to you absolutely free. So there's the bulb. These are LED bulbs. They're not compact fluorescent. And I have here a little fixture. So we're gonna go in here. And there you go, the bulb is on. So now with the bulb on, let's jump into the Wyze app. So here we go, we've got the app up and running, so let's go through the instructions. So here on the instructions, it tells us the first thing to do is to go up onto the upper right-hand corner and go add a product. So we're gonna add a product, and we're gonna select Wyze bulb. And it tells us to connect the phone to the Wi-Fi, which we are, and have our password ready. We're gonna power cycle on and off your light 3 times to enter pairing mode. Once the bulb starts to pulse, you can click next. So let's turn it on and off 3 times. All right, so it is now pulsing. So let's jump back into the app here. And we have our bulb right there on the Wi-Fi network. We've now connected to that bulb, so let's go back into the app. And it says here it is connecting. So it's finished that setup, so we're gonna give this a name. So we're gonna call this the living room. So now we can finish that setup. And we have the living room light. So there's the light. Let's try first just turning it on and off. There, it's off. There, it's on. And there, it's off. So it gives you the idea of the responsiveness of that bulb. Now, what is really neat with these bulbs is all the different ways you can use them. I've got them set up right here. I've got one of them in my entryway, and you can see that bulb here. And I'm gonna try to focus here on my phone. And you can see my phone here. I've got the entryway light right there. And I'm gonna show you how quickly this thing responds. So check it out. That's how quick that thing responds on and off. So we've got it in the entryway, and then coming around the corner here into my hallway, I've got one here in my hallway. And we also put one in the master bedroom closet, illuminating our sweet, sweet Nerf gun, because we support your right to bear arms. One of the neat features that we had talked about earlier was the If This Then That, and I've got a Simply Safe alarm system here, and I've got it set up so when I switch it into away mode, it activates away mode on my Nest thermostat. When it does that, it turns off all the lights, or at least it turns off the smart bulbs. So let me show you how that works. I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna come up and press the away button, and once it's done counting down, all of the lights inside my house that are connected to it turn off. And another neat thing you can do is if you've got cameras like these from Wyze, when the camera sense motion, you can have it trigger your lights on. And the same goes with these little gizmos. I've got these sensors from Wyze. This is one of the motion sensors, and I have this one placed in my side yard. So I can have this one set up to either turn on my side yard light or even turn on a light inside the house when it senses motion. So there it is, the latest product from Wyze, the Wyze Bulbs. We've liked everything else they've put out, and so far everything has worked great, and we've been having fun with the bulbs we've got here. So if you like these bulbs, I will have a link down in the description below as soon as they are available. At the time of the filming here, they are not available yet, but as soon as they are, I'll have the link down there. But I do have this set of bulbs that we're going to be shipping out to one of our subscribers. And you do have to check out that other video, and we'll have all the details on how to enter the contest to get these shipped to you absolutely free. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a great big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button because we got all sorts of awesome new tips, tricks, and how-to videos coming out soon straight to you. And of course, thanks a lot for watching.